Inilabas na nga ng Miss Universe Organization ang official headshots ng mga kandidata na maglalaban-laban para sa Miss Universe 2025 crown. Ilan nga sa mga umagaw ng eksena sa official headshots ay sina. Okay, let's talk about Costa Rica. Oh my gosh, sobrang flawless ng styling at makeup niya dito. I love the fact na buong-buo yung headshot niya here. Hindi tilted yung head, walang awkward pose, yes. Like kitang-kita yung whole face niya dito. Flawless ng makeup at hairstyle. I also love yung facial expression na siniserve niya here. Like if you're going to take a look at it, fierce na may konting smile, a real standout. For me, Costa Rica is one of the few who really stood out here. I'm giving her 9.5 out of 10. Pati yung lighting and the background pasabog. Okay, let's go naman to Peru. Isa din talaga to sa umaagaw ng pansin sa headshot. Ang ganda din ng rehistro niya dito. Kahit na nakasmile siya, pero kita mo sa eyes niya yung fire at fierceness, di ba? And very natural ang rehistro sa camera. Maganda din yung lieg, kitang-kita, yes. Maganda din ang lighting. Ito yung headshot na pasok talaga sa Miss Universe level. For me, I'm going to give her a 9 out of 10 sa Peru kasi isa rin talaga siya sa mga nag-stand out sa official headshots ng Miss Universe 2025. Diba? Okay, let's go naman to Venezuela. Hindi mo talaga madedenay no na pagdating talaga sa beauty, number 1 talaga ang mga Venezuelan beauty queens. Very stunning. However, it's 2025 na kasi. Hindi na uso yung puro ganda-gandahan na lang. Kailangan lumalaban sa power. Dapat kitang-kita mo yung fire sa eyes, sa face, yung pagiging powerful queen. Yung parang a force to reckon with. Ganon. Dito sa headshot ni Venezuela, yes, maganda talaga siya. Maganda din ng makeup. Yes, yung lieg, kitang-kita, which is super nice. Plakado ang hair and makeup. Like, very beautiful. Pero, dahil sa ito yung paulit-ulit na entry ng Venezuela sa lahat ng mga pageants, nagiging common na lang siya. Kaya wala nang her headshot here is beautiful, pero I'm going to give her a 7 out of 10. Walang power, puro ganda lang, walang fire, walang X factor. Hindi siya agaw pansin, bukod sa maganda lang siya. So, 7 out of 10. Okay, let's go to Thailand. Alam mo, when I saw her official headshot, napawaw talaga ako. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Grabe. Agaw pansin talaga, day. Kasi very dramatic yung siniserve ng face niya dito. Look at it! If you're going to pay attention, yung headshot niya, nangungusap talaga siya. It's as if she was talking here by serving face. Diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko na gone are the days na puro ganda-gandahan lang. Kailangan yung level ng beauty mo at yung presence mo mismo is a force to reckon with. Ang ganda ng face na siniserve dito ni Thailand. Screams power, force, fierce, and fire. Dito sa headshot na to, grabe, tagos na tagos sa screen yung confidence na siniserve niya. Look at the lips. Naka-open siya with her teeth showing a little bit. Tapos, there's so much power. Very dramatic yung eyes niya. There's so much power into them. Ganda din ng hair and makeup. Kita din yung leeg. Lighting is perfect. Oh my gosh. I have to give it to Thailand for the headshot. Grabe, this one is a perfect 10 out of 10. Swak na swak sa modern era ng beauty pageants in 2025. Grabe. Wow. Okay, let's go to the Philippines. I kind of like it. Actually, Philippines headshot is good. Maganda yung posing, plakado ang hair, just like Costa Rica. I like the fact na kuhang-kuha yung whole face niya here. Maganda yung headshot, maganda yung posing ng head. Like there is no awkward angles or weird poses. Kita din yung lieg, which is good. Maganda yung placement ng head niya. On point din ang hair and makeup, yes. The face is kind of, yes, I can see the fire in her eyes. Good. I just wish na sana inopen lang niya ng konti lang yung lips niya to show her teeth just a little bit to complement the fire na sinuserve ng ice niya. Just like what Thailand did here. See, di ba the difference? Mas powerful yung kay Thailand. For me, Philippines, I'm giving her a 9.2 out of 10. Ayan. Sino sa tingin mo ang nag-stand out sa official headshots ng mga kandidata this year sa Miss Universe 2025 na inilabas na ngayong araw?